Welcome to Dispatch Power app. Let me show you how to add a driver and set up payroll. Let's start. Click Add Driver and enter a name, for example, David. You can also add his contact information such as phone number, email, or home address. Next, choose the driver type, company driver, owner-operator, or owner. Then select a color tag, for example, orange. Now let's set up payroll. Here, you have several payment options: per mile, percentage-based, percentage net of fuel, or daily, weekly, or monthly payments. Let's start with per mile and set it to, for example, 70 cents per mile. Next, choose the effective date when the driver was hired and set it here. You can also choose whether to include deadhead miles in the calculations. Now let's move to accessorials. If you select truck ordered not used and choose full amount, it means the driver will receive the full amount whenever a shipment is marked as such. The same applies to detention. If you enable it, the full detention amount will automatically be paid to the driver. Let's move on to additional options like bonuses and deductions. You can set up recurring deductions, for example, insurance. Let's set amount at $1,000 per month. You can also set frequency of the deduction and the start date. Another example is an ELD deduction, such as $40 per month. After setting everything up, just click Save, and the driver will be added. Let's set up another type of driver. Let's choose an owner-operator, for example, Chris. Now let's set up payroll for Chris. We will choose another payroll type, percentage-based. Chris will receive 85% of the gross revenue. You can also select the effective date and configure truck ordered not used and detention. If you need to set up deductions, it's the same process here. All deductions will appear in this section. Let's add, for example, trailer rent, $300 monthly frequency, and set the effective start date. Now let's click Save. After driver is saved, we can see the driver type as owner-operator and the amount displayed here. Let me show you how to set up a company driver with a daily payroll. Let's click Add Driver, for example, John. He is a company driver. Now let's set up his payroll. His payroll will be on a daily basis. For example, he is receiving $250 per day. Here we set up his working days, Monday through Friday. We will not include accessorials or detention. We can add a bonus. For example, $50 is a one-time bonus if he works overtime. And set the date when this bonus applies. So we click Save. Now we have John as a company driver and he is on daily base payments.